So the second question, what was the total number of Nokia brand mobile phones sold by stores A, C and D? So in this we are asked to find total number of phones sold by 3 stores A, C and D. So in this brand Nokia. So Nokia brand phones, total number of phones are asked. So we'll see the working. So here we have the working slide, and we need for A, C and D. So percentage for A, C and D is 14% for A, 32% for C and 18% for D. And we need same brand for all the 3 stores, Nokia brand. So Nokia is 2 out of 7, and for C Nokia brand is 3 out of 8, and D it is 5 parts out of 9. So we'll do the working. So in this 66,000, so we need A is 14%, we need brand Nokia, it is 2 out of 7. As we need the total, we add the terms, and C is 32%, and Nokia is 3 parts out of 8, plus D is 18%, and it is 5 parts out of 9. So as earlier we have 100 in each term, so we can take 100 outside the brackets. And now 7 is 2 times 14, so we have 4. So we have already taken this 100 outside. So 12, 10. So cancelling these zeros, 660 into, so 12 plus 4 16 plus 10 it is 26. Now product of 660 into 26 will give you the answer, and we can use the speed max technique, that's multiplication of 2-digit numbers. So 66 into 26. So how we can multiply? So without using the conventional method, so we can multiply this column wise. So 6 into 6 it is 36. So second term will be product of these 2 terms, 36 and 12, and the first column 12. So adding this it is 48. So now we will collect the answer. So here it is 6. Now this 3 is added to the previous term. It is 51. We will write this 1. And 15 is added with 12. It is 17. And we have this 0 here. So total number of Nokia phones sold by stores A, C and D is got as 17,160. And now what will be the option? It is option B, 17,160. So choose the option correctly. So it is option B, 17,160. So we'll see the next question. So question number 3. How many mobile phones, including all the brands, were sold by stores D, E and F? So in this question, so we are asked to find phone store sold by the stores D, E and F. So they are not mentioning particular brand. So all the 3 brands included. So we need total number of phones sold by this 3 stores. So here as the brand is not asked, it's not mentioned, so no need to go for the table data. So we'll see the working. So we'll have the working slide here. And in this question, total number of phones sold by this 3 stores is asked, D, E and F. And as they haven't mentioned the brand, so no need to get the working of the data from the table. So with the pie chart detail itself, we can work out the question. So 18%, 11% and 17%. All these percentages is for 66,000. So just we can add the percentage and finally convert it to the data. Instead of finding each store's value, that is 17% of 66,000, 11% of 66, and then 18% of 66,000. Instead of finding that, so as the base is same, we can add all the percentages and then finally get the value. So we'll do the working. So in the 66,000, so D, E and F, D is 18% and E is 11% and F is 17%. So all percentages by 100. So just add the percentages. So it is 646. So 660 into 46 is the total number of phones sold by these three stores D, E and F. So we will find the product using the speed max technique, that is 2-digit multiplication, 2 and 2-digit multiplication. So 66 and 46. So 6 into 6 36 and 6 into 4 24. Now product of 6 and 6 36 plus 24 60. Now what is the answer? We will collect the answer. So a single digit in each term. So write this 6. 3 is added with 60. We have 63. So write this 3. And 6 added with 24, it is 30. And we have the 0. So we'll write the 0. So total number of phones sold by these three stores D, E and F is 30,360. And now which will be the option? So here we have two confusing options, that is B and D. So B is 30,630 and C is 30,360. So you have to choose the option correctly. So it will be option C because 30,360. So in a hurry, so many will go for this option B. So be careful in choosing the option also. So working wise we have got the answer. So choose the option, correct option, that is option C, 30,360. Now we'll see the next question.